Welcome to IT and Network King official channel. How to install Ping Plotter for network troubleshooting. Open web browser. Open official Ping Plotter website. Click free download. Your download should begin shortly. Setup is downloading. Wait for a while. Setup is downloaded. Open download file location. Double-click file to run setup. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Ping Plotter is installed now. Click to launch Ping Plotter. Click Run Free Version. Free edition has limited access of Ping Plotter. Click OK. Click Menu, then click Ping Plotter. Type domain name or IP. Share this losses stats to ISP to optimize the route. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe IT and Network King official channel.